In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Outlook email. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook open, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a new email. I move my mouse up to the top left corner and click on New Email, and right away a new message window opens. This is where I can write the email and add anything I want, including a GIF. Now inside this new email window, I'm going to click directly in the body area. This is the large blank space where the message goes. I click once to place my cursor exactly where I want the GIF to appear. Wherever your cursor is, that's where the GIF will be inserted, so it's a good idea to click the spot where you want it to show up in the email. Once my cursor is in place, I move my mouse up to the top menu and click on Insert. This opens up the insert options, and from here I'm looking for pictures. I click on pictures and Outlook opens a file browser window that lets me choose files from my computer. Now I just browse through my folders to find the GIF file I want to use. I navigate to the folder where my GIF is saved, and once I see it I click on the GIF file to select it. After selecting the file, I click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. As soon as I click Insert, Outlook places the GIF directly into the body of the email. I can see it appear right where my cursor was. The GIF displays in line, so it becomes part of the message itself. I can click on it and move it if I want, or resize it by dragging the corners just like a regular image. At this point the GIF is fully added to the email and it will be visible to the person receiving the message. When they open the email, the GIF will display as part of the email content. And that's it. I opened Outlook, created a new email, clicked in the message body, went to Insert, selected Pictures, chose my GIF file, and clicked Insert. The GIF now appears directly inside the email and is ready to send.